Hey, there we go. They were almost to the front of a ship. Here's our suitcases. And here's our room number.
Woo, 2214. Oh, and these are our keys. It's official. And we're red. We're not the bottom, we're like the second.
All right. Ooh, our beautiful interior room.
Welcome, welcome.
Welcome, welcome.
Come on in.
Unpack, choose a phone. So, choose a phone. So the room is right here. It's not bad size actually. It's actually, I like the layout. I like how the desk is actually on that side. Give you more room, I think. I think it's actually not bad.
Well, even here, the space.
On each side, I think it's bigger.
Yeah.
We're gonna check out the square footage, but it looks pretty good. So what else we got? We got the little desk here with the TV, little cabinets with the safe.
That's where the safe is. Drawer space.
Blow dryer.
Enough room for my stuff.
And your stuff again, and more stuff for you.
Nice.
We got a little mirror. Got a little mirror for makeup. How's your light for makeup?
Not bad.
And
we'll see if the bathroom's better.
We got a couple plugs. We got a European plug and an American plug. So that's why I always have we travel with two different plugs, a European and American. So you can actually use both.
And did you see next to the bed?
We have also a plug next to the bed and a USB and USB-C. That's amazing.
That is awesome.
That's actually the first time I see. First time I see on a cruise a real power next to the bed.
And this is nice next to the bed.
Ooh, nice. Let's see our closet here. So we have a mini fridge.
Yep.
Oh, it's empty. That's good.
Oh,
So
good.
we can
It's
put stuff.
Cold.
We can put stuff in. How's the closet, honey? We actually look like a lot of room for
like
closet.
There's 3.
One.
It's nice with shelving.
Ooh, 2. Hold on a second.
2.
Nice.
There's poor Cammy.
Yep, there's Cammy. And you have another one?
Yeah.
Wow, that's actually pretty roomy.
Wow.
All right.
Lots of
nice.
closet space.
How's the bathroom? Da 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 da. Open the bathroom door.
Da 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 da.
Oh, just like somebody else say. Guess what? They got a cloth shower curtain.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Which is kind of gross, but
I doubt if they change it every single time somebody uses it, right?
hopefully they do. It looks pretty clean.
Yeah.
So.
The bathroom's not bad.
No, I mean, dated, has what you need.
Yep, 1980s.
Shampoo, shower, shower gel, and
That's kind of weird looking pinchers here.
yeah, nice shelving. Another mirror here.
Got power.
No.
Little mirror.
Yeah, not bad.
It's not too bad.
That's good.
Yeah. So overall, the room, I guess, is pretty big again. Like I said.
Yes, I definitely think it's wider.
It's bigger.
than
It's pretty wider.
other interior rooms that we've been in.
And,
Sorry, MSC. I think this
bigger
interior room is wider.
And our suitcase is a 115. Our suitcases are already here. Awesome. Time to go get a drink.